Hey guys, good afternoon from the White House. We've got a chopper inbound from Delaware. Just took off. Should be landing in the next 45 minutes or so. So we're going to grab a ladder, get a picture. Not a lot of people here on a Saturday, so we usually get like an exclusive photo. Though I think he's going straight into the residence. Highly doubt he'll talk to us. But we got to be ready just the same. Let's get our ladder, which is buried back here, and move to the preset. Right here. Okay.
President, will you let Ukraine fire into Russia?
Alright, let's head to McDonald's. Get something to eat. Want something to eat, buddy? Want something to eat? What would you like?
Oh, okay. As a large amount of if not possible.
Yeah.
Just two.
Want a drink?
Sure. These are just 2 cheeseburgers and a small fries.
What do you want to drink? It's got Big Mac, large. You wanted a Coke. So guys, this is a gift from you guys who donate money. I don't need your money. Don't donate money. But when you do donate money, this is where it goes. I buy people food. So thank you very much to those of you who have donated in the past. You just bought that guy lunch. There you go, buddy. Have a better day tomorrow, okay? No worries. Okay, Biden is back in the White House. They declared a dinner lid, which means he's not going to do anything. He's going to have dinner. After dinner, he's going to an event to speak tonight. I'm not covering that. We thought he might go to church, but not today. We'll see tomorrow, though. Tomorrow's a Sunday. He's got nothing on the calendar. We'll find something cool. Hey guys, good morning. Monday morning, 8:50, and that was Nighthawk 1 coming in for Marine 1 arrival, and I'm not in the White House, yeah? Little complication with the credential again, but we'll sort that out by the afternoon. In the meantime, we've had a murder just a few blocks away from the Capitol, from the White House, like 5 or 6 blocks. So let's run up to the crime scene, see what we can see. Okay guys, we are on scene now at the intersection, well, just about the intersection of Connecticut as M as in Mary Street. And we had another shooting, yeah, another shooting in this intersection where we have, well, lots and lots of shootings and stabbings. We're gonna go down here to Rhode Island Avenue and 17th Street, about 5 blocks from the White House, where there was a homicide last night. Let's see what we can see. So police are still on the scene here this morning, and let's go down the street. The street is still closed. We got tape up. Let's see how close we can get. Looks like it was down at the next intersection. This is the Catholic Cathedral downtown here on Rhode Island. It's absolutely beautiful church, but not exactly a pleasant place this morning down here. I've taken you inside there once or twice. See this big wet water here? This is a wash down. This is where the fire department comes out and sprays off all the blood, basically. And they just cleared a few minutes ago. Still down here on the crime scene, a lot of cops. Okay, technically I don't know if this is a homicide. It could have just been a shooting, but usually for shootings, it's not this big a deal. The shooting was at like 5 a.m. this morning. Who the hell's out at 5 in the morning? I did a wash down here and a wash down there. I wonder if there were 2 victims or something. I have to find out. Hey guys, good afternoon on a Monday here in Washington, D.C. We are up by the National Cathedral. We're on a bike because it's more fun, and we're making our way down to the White House. Biden's in Philadelphia, but he's going to be back soonish. He's a little bit ahead of schedule, so I'm not sure exactly when. We kind of need to eat, so maybe we'll do that, and then we'll roll down to the White House, see what's going on. There's been a couple shootings today. Covered one this morning. That was actually fatal. Guy was killed last night, this morning at 5 a.m. in a neighborhood that's become rather synonymous for shootings, just down by the White House. It's got a bunch of bars down there that are, well, pretty sus. Let's make our way past the cathedral and down into the city, see what's going on today. Bike is choppy, noisy today. Well, it's only mid-September, but it looks like pumpkins have come out already. We've got the pumpkin stand up here. God, could a pumpkin last a full month? I don't think so. That would be one scary pumpkin come Halloween. All right, let's make our way down Mass Avenue, Embassy Row, and head downtown. Okay, we're down on Embassy Row now. That's the Turkish embassy over there. That's one of the more recent additions to Embassy Row. They tore down a couple of buildings and built that a couple, 5-10 years ago. That's the Japanese embassy. This is their new building. Their old building is down here behind the fences. Yeah, right over there. That house on the corner there, that's where Bill Casey lived, President Reagan's Central Intelligence Agency director. The guy who was in Iran-Contra. Yeah, so Bill Casey used to live in that house there. He made his fortune on Wall Street before he came to work for the government. Tree. Ugh. That's the Venezuelan ambassador's residence, but I'm not sure if they're going to sell it because we don't really recognize their ambassador anyway. This is the Korean embassy on my right, but there's several other Korean diplomatic buildings down the way. That's the Marshall Islands or Micronesia, I can never remember which one. That's Zaire. This is the Mexican diplomatic post for the Organization of the American States. Not technically an embassy, but it is diplomatic. That's a car in my way. Over there, that's the Ivory Coast, or the Côte d'Ivoire, as they now are known. And that's Chad over there. That's a fire truck. I'm not sure why he's there. Oof. Republic of Malawi. And that is Cameroon's embassy. Oh, that's a nice, beautiful building. Next to the Croatians. There, that's the Croatians. And that one's the old Pakistani embassy, but they built a new one up in the new embassy row up in International Drive area. And then the Haitians, yeah, Haiti and Chile. And then the Egyptian ambassador and the Philippine ambassador and the Vietnamese embassy, and there's a bunch more down that way. Let's go down this way and continue our quest for food. Okay, we're back on the campus of GW, and all the bicycle racks are full. Kind of blows. Let's head down the next block and see if we can find one. It's the student center there on the right. There's quite a lot of students out and about right now. It's a gorgeous day, like mid-70s, I think. I guess if you were like a really cold kind of person, you'd wear like a sweatshirt or long sleeves, but generally it's really nice out. Most of the kids are in shorts, t-shirts. Typical college day. All right, let's see if we can find a bike rack up here and dump this bike. Whoa, car. And yet another completely full bike rack. Buzzkill. All right. Let's get down the next block, get the bike lane too. There we go. There's bike racks about every block in this area down here, so not the end of the world if one's full. And God knows they're not going to be full in an hour or two when all the commuters come and take the bikes to go back to other parts of the city. In fact, back then, like when I want to go back tonight, it's going to be kind of tricky to find a bike, at least an electric. All right, here's another rack up here on the left. Now, remember we showed you them clearing the homeless camp over here and then everybody moved to the other side of the street? Well, they've cleared the other side of the street now too. So there's pretty much zero homeless in this park now. They've all been pushed down into Rock Creek. There's a spot. Doc Mundo. Okay, guys, well, slight change in plans. You see, Air Force One is already over Baltimore. Yeah, he took off early. He's supposed to be back at the White House at 5, but given his current, he's probably going to get back an hour early. So we have to hook it. We're on a scooter now, racing across the last bit of the West End. Oop, cars. Oh, they have a red light. We don't. Well, we do, but we don't. There we go. All right, let's get to the White House. Okay. We are in, yeah. Our little paperwork problem this morning is gone. And wow, look at those clouds. It looks like it's going to rain or something. Hey, how's it going? Cool. I don't think he's going to talk to us.
Not that lucky.
Everybody running. Hey. That's a decoy. It's gonna veer off. He's gonna wave off too. No, he's too high too. He's gonna wave off.
Fake up. Good fake up.
Hey, there's that squirrel. Thank you. Okay guys, there is the National Cathedral, and that means we are back in my neighborhood. Thanks a lot for watching today. No idea what I'll show you tomorrow, but we'll run around and try to find something cool. See you later.